Hello, and welcome back to A New You, where I help twin flames to heal and to master thyself along by twin flame journey. My name is Ruby Lee B, and I am a self-mastery coach, and I am a twin flame specialist. And so if you are a twin flamer who is on the twin flame journey, and if you want some support along your twin flame experience, I want you to click that bell and become a subscriber to New You, for New You has been created just for you. And so I'm in my kitchen again. And so I wanted to do part 2 of my healing journey using baking soda. And so there are some things that I forgot to mention in the first video that I want to make a point to mention today of why I use baking soda to help my body to heal. And so if you did not watch the first video, what it is that I do to refresh you guys, I just take a shot of baking soda every morning. I just take like a quarter of a teaspoon and I just put a little bit of baking soda on that teaspoon, and I take it and I drink a full glass of water right after it. And so that's just one of the things that I do to help my body to heal. And one of the things that I wanted to mention about that is that I have a skin condition called hydrogenasis. I have a hard time pronouncing it, but they call it HS. And everybody pronounce it a little bit differently, but hydrogenasis. And I've been dealing with it for longer than when I got help to see exactly what it is. I've been secretly hiding it and just dealing with it on my own for a very long time, at least I want to say probably about 10 years. And it wasn't until, a few years ago that Spirit's like, go to the doctor. You need to see what this is, right? And so I went to the doctor and I did some research prior going to the doctor, and I realized that, I may have this skin condition called HS. And so I went to the doctor. They sent me to a dermatologist, and that's what they say it was. And they said, unfortunately, there's no cure for it. More and more women is realizing that this is what they had. I think my mom had it, but she just called it a cyst, but now, they are, saying that it's a skin condition and it's called hydrogenasis. And so unfortunately, there's no cure for it. But there's ways to manage it. And, they gave me some tips on how I can manage it. Laser surgery, because I have it underneath my arms. And so they were saying that, removing all of my hair up under my arms will help will help with the inflammation of it. And so yeah, and of course they gave me some pills and all that good stuff that I never took because, I take that back. I did. I began to take the pills that they gave to me because, we had to, they were planning, the dermatologist, my doctor was planning on sending me on a journey of trying a variety of different medicines if the ones that she prescribed to me the first time did not work. And so needless to say, the medicine that she's prescribed to me, it didn't work. And as a matter of fact, I did not go back. I ended up just stopped taking the medicine altogether. I ended up, not going to my follow-up appointment just because, my dad has a history. He has a skin condition as well. He has psoriasis, and one of the ways that he got his psoriasis by dermatologists not knowing how to treat his skin and prescribing him the wrong medicine, and that's how he got psoriasis. And so when I took the medication that was given to me, and when I began to see spots on my arms that looked like my dad's psoriasis, I said, oh no. I immediately stopped taking it. I, threw it in the trash. I said, I said, no, I'm not going to allow them to do that to me. Okay. Y'all not going to do that to me. Okay. Because if you know anybody who has psoriasis, it's no joke. It's a serious skin condition. And it's nothing compared to my hydrogenitis. I said, at least with my hydrogenitis, I can hide it. You know what I mean? And but with psoriasis, like my daddy has it all over his body, and it's a battle, it's a struggle each and every day. And I don't wish that on anybody, not even myself. And so when I start to see those signs, I threw those prescription away, and I say, you know what, I'm just gonna have to hold off on it until I can find me a black doctor that can treat our skin, that can treat my skin. I live in Louisville, Kentucky, and so I've been having skin issues for years, ever since I was a little baby, and been going to dermatologists. And there's just, a lot of these white doctors, they don't know how to treat our skin. They don't know, they just don't know how to. And so I said, so until I can, travel somewhere and see a black dermatologist to really, help me, I had to find other ways to heal. And so one of the ways that I found was taking, like I said, a shot of baking soda every morning, and I drink a full glass of water. And I'm telling you, I truly believe that since I've been doing this, I don't have the same problems that I had with my hydrogenitis. It used to be where, anything that I ate, like, it was just weird. Like, some of the, like, any foods that I ate, it would just swell up, especially if I was eating poorly, it would just swell up, and I would have, that issue. But since I've been taking the shot of baking soda, along with doing some of my other healing regimens that I do in the morning, that I call my early morning rise cleanse, that I will share with you after this video as well. The results have been absolutely amazing. And so, like I said, I don't have issues with it like I used to. Like, I have gotten to the point where it is really manageable now. I mean, it's to the point where it's I feel like it's not there. I know it's there. I know I still have it, but however, I've been able to manage it very, very well. And I've been able to eat whatever I want and not worry about it swelling up and hurting and things of that nature. And so yes. And so I would recommend taking a shot of baking soda, drinking a full glass of water every morning can help if you have the skin condition of HS. Now, I'm no doctor, of course, so, but this is just something that I discovered along my journey of healing. And like I say, works for me, along with eating healthy too. Okay. I've lost over 50 some pounds. And so I have, been on that journey of eating healthy and really cleaning up my eating. So cleaning up your eating, along with taking a shot of baking soda, making sure you're getting plenty of fluids, plenty of water, can really help to manage your hydrogenitis. And so that is it. That's pretty much what I wanted to talk about. And so, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this information to be helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please leave comments in the comment section. I want to hear from you. And yes, I have opened up my one-on-one Express Yourself healing sessions. And so if you would like a one-on-one session with me, Ruby Lee B, to talk about your twin flame experience, or whatever it is that you may want to talk about, whatever it is that you are struggling with, dealing with, and you want some help and some support along your journey, email me at ANEWYOU5555@gmail.com, and I will leave my email down in the description box. And just email me and say, Ruby Lee, I would like to, book an hour appointment with you, and I'll send you the details and we can get you going. And so that is it. Thank you so much. I leave you in love. Bye-bye.